A world united, exploring global unity. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, a world united. This phrase holds a powerful meaning, especially in today's global context. Let's explore what it signifies and how it applies to various aspects of life and society. A world united refers to a global scenario where countries, cultures, and people come together, overcoming differences to achieve common goals. It's about harmony, cooperation, and mutual understanding on a global scale. This phrase often surfaces in discussions about peace, global initiatives, and international relations. Throughout history, there have been moments where a world united was more than a phrase, it was a reality. Examples include global responses to crises, world fairs, and international agreements like the United Nations. These instances show the power of unity in overcoming challenges that transcend borders. In culture, a world united is a theme in literature, film, and art. It represents a utopian vision where diversity is celebrated and conflicts are resolved through understanding and respect. This idea often inspires works that advocate for peace and global solidarity. Today, a world united is crucial in addressing global challenges like climate change, pandemics, and social inequality. It suggests that solutions require collaborative efforts and a shared sense of responsibility among all nations and peoples. A world united is more than just a phrase. It's a goal, a vision, and a reminder of what we can achieve when we work together. It embodies hope for a future where differences are bridges, not barriers. Thanks for joining me in exploring this meaningful concept. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.